Hey, sorry. I thought you would just drive in. What's this?
So close.
You're a driver now?
Yeah ครับแต่ว่าช่วยฝากเรียนอุปกรณ์ให้คล่องนะครับ
Oh, Paul and his driver. We're here at Mega Bangna, trying to get the new camera so we can get this sorted.
Ask him to set it up now for us
Oh, okay. Yeah, Paul and I just got our Pocket 3 to level up our game. Well, okay. Yeah. Oh, it's really stable. So currently we are at Greyhound Cafe. I'm just waiting for Paul to finish his meeting for his new cafe, and then if all is good, we'll be heading to our next meeting at 3 p.m.
และร้านส้มตำที่พี่พูดถึงนี่คือสมยงตำซั่วใช่ไหมครับ
In fact, Greyhound iced tea is delicious.
เช็คได้เดี๋ยวต้องไปคิดต่อ
It feels really weird not having like the battery in the bottom. Like it's so much better with the battery because it's more grip. Where's oh he's coming?
Yeah, it's coming.
Alright.
เชิญหมายเลข052ค่ะ
Okay
You know we're matching today?
Oh right yeah
Yeah,
very
oh my
similar
God.
second time yeah
So we just finished the meeting. Very humbled. They were like, 5 tons. They slaughter 600,000 chickens just for export every single day. And like they kill 700 chickens. I'm okay. Man, totally humbled. You know, when you come to different countries, you get to learn that as a Singapore business, you're always like the smallest one. So you can't command price, you can't command a lot of things just because your volume is much smaller than the rest. And to them, you know, 5,000 kilos. Like it's so small. It's like us saying like, 100 grams of kimchi when we make like 500, 600 kilos a day. So very humbling experience. But we will still push on.
แบรนด์ไหนครับพี่ว่าก็คือก็
อ๋อตลอดแหละพี่บอกโอ้มีก็เลยไม่ได้
We're currently here at the hotel. The owner got us a room with Juno hair. Such a nice owner. Since I'm here for the grand opening. And yep, here we are. Whoop, whoop. Oh, yep. We got a complimentary room from the owner of the hotel for visiting the grand opening of Juno. Whoop whoop. It's got a great view. There is nice buildings here.
nice massage places
Nice massage places.
for a lonely guy like Jack
No, wait, hold on. That's not true. Yeah, some pretty nice toilets, nice bathroom. Yeah, so it's very happy to be here. It's gonna be a great time. I think the event's happening on Monday. It got delayed, so we are going to just do a little bit of market survey. I think we're meeting a few business owners that do F&B through like friends of friends. Reached out to some of them, so they're gonna show us their restaurants. They're gonna show us their SOPs. the way they do the calculation, what's the net profit margins, the gross operating margins, the taxes, and things like that, and the best practices, so that we can so that we can learn a thing or two about how we can replicate success here, and then hopefully that would be a good way for us to get a good sensing before we do any investment or any time into this. So currently it's maybe my third time in a row being in Thailand, maybe fourth. I've been here maybe like 3 months in a row to see the market, meet more people, and then I think we are almost there. Maybe by the end of the year we would be able to know if the market is really ready for what I want to do, and if there's any opportunities that are profitable with lesser risk. So spending a little bit more time to figure this out, I think, is more worthwhile than just dumping money in or time into the work. Currently we're just waiting to go to dinner, but it's at 8:30 because all our friends are stuck in a jam. So we're just chilling in the hotel, maybe doing a little bit of shadow boxing, as you can see, Paul. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah. And then we're probably gonna hit up one of the Muay Thai gyms or boxing gyms sometime, maybe tomorrow or Sunday.
Sure.
Because come to Thailand, you gotta do some boxing. So now we are heading for dinner to this very famous place called Villa. We're gonna have some seafood. The last time I came here, we weren't able to get some seafood because I was sick and had a fever. Now we are waiting for Paul to get his driver. What am I on about? And this is the grand opening for Juno Hair that we will be doing for Monday. A little backstory: Juno Hair is like the leading brand for Korean hair salon for good service, and my family, my family is opening a salon in Singapore with the founder of Juno Hair, and I'm here to say hi to the boss, and then see their partners, and just get a little bit of a feel of how the Juno in Singapore, in Thailand looks like, so that we can also see how we can also make our Juno in Singapore equally. Our car is here. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
I need to pee again.
Now we're here for dinner. We're at Villa. It's like a new hip, up and coming. Nah, it's already up and up. Yeah, it's very nice. I was here last time for some seafood, I think, but I couldn't get it because I was sick. So I'm here for revenge. Let's go. Romsey is the place that we're gonna go. Okay, I'm starving. I think when you come to Thailand, you gotta eat. What was it? The river prawn. I saw the picture of it. I was like, I gotta try it.
Do you want this or Cold Limited? You want to take a look at both places?
Whichever place that you wanted to bring me the last time.
The rib prawns, this?
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, dude, I gotta have that. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that. Look at how delicious that looks. Okay, anyways, yeah.
It's probably as big as your hand.
Yeah. As big as my hand.
The same owners.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you know the same owners?
Yeah, same owners.
No, but I mean, how do you know?
Look at the pot. But yeah, my friend told me it's same owner.
Oh,
And
okay,
this
okay.
or that.
Okay, like, what do you prefer? What's
to you.
okay, like, what's better?
This is known for like beef,
Okay.
curry crab. Yeah, similar to the menu. They also have rib prawns.
Okay. Okay, like whatever you prefer, man.
Up to you. You want rib prawns?
ขอบคุณครับ Wow, it's a date time with Paul.
Uh-huh. So hungry.
Yeah, man. The food arrived. It looks delicious. Look at that. Garlic. Ooh, how close does it go? Not very close, I see. Sweet garlic.
That's nice. Eat it with the sticky rice.
Nice.
It's wrapped in pandan leaves. It's old school.
Pandan leaf. I swear, Paul really loves his sticky rice. Every time he eats food, sticky rice.
It's the Thai way.
The Thai way, the Thai way. Look at that prawn.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay.
Do this. Show it to the camera.
Is that how it works? Oh, so creamy. Okay.
For this, you gotta use a fork. Dig
Okay.
in and like do this and then put it up.
Oh, okay. With a fork and then what?
Yeah. Twist it and then pull it up.
The noodle?
Yeah. And
Or
then
this.
camera zoom out.
Okay, okay. The noodle, right?
Yeah, I'll give you a shot. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, look at the smoke. Look at that. Look at that crab roll. Sometimes like I watch mukbang just because I want to see them eat so much.
Yeah.
Especially like the snow crab. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Like I can't afford it, but I just want to watch it. It's delicious. Thank you, thank you.
Dip it with the seafood sauce.
Okay. I gotta show the camera. Crab roll, crab. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I'm like a business vlogger or like a food blogger now. Fantastic choice coming here today. Sky, beauty, you're missing out.